Hello everyone, my name is Shanae Andrus and I'm with the Don Williams Group here in Lewes, Delaware, talking to you today about the awesome perks of getting a pre-listing home inspection right after this. So when you are selling your home, you are not required to have a pre-listing home inspection, but if you choose to do so, it's very advantageous to you, and this is the reason why. First of all, a pre-listing home inspection can uncover any issues with your home, and this is going to save you a lot of time because often contracts are really depending on whether or not you repair certain things in your home when a possible buyer is looking at a contract. So if you go ahead and get the inspection done in advance, you can have a little more time to repair those things with your house before you sell, and it's going to save you money in the long run. It's going to prevent buyers from coming to you after they've started the contract and saying, look, we looked at this inspection and now we're asking you to deduct money off of the price unless you fix all these issues. And last but not least, it's going to boost your marketability. People want transparency. They want to know up front what's wrong with this house. And even if you don't have the money to fix everything before you list your home, just by being able to say up front, look, we know there are some issues and that has been considered when creating the price, the listing price for this property, it's really going to give you a lot more credibility with possible buyers. If you have any more questions about listing your home, contact us today and we would love to be of assistance to you. Thanks for watching.